Hi everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be makeup tutorial for this makeup look right here. This is the exact makeup which I did in my previous video, that was Mama Earth's wear test body lotion video, and I also posted a picture on my Instagram. This is the picture right here and you guys seem to love this makeup. So I thought why not sit down and film a tutorial in which I can explain how I created this look and also share some tips and tricks with you all. Also the shirt which I'm wearing in this picture is by Only. This is the denim shirt, one of my favorite shirts. And these earrings are from coops.com. I got them last year, so I do not have a link for them, and I kind of matched my earrings with my lipstick and just thought that it's such a blue color hair that can match my outfit, so that's how I created that look, you know. It was very impromptu, but you guys seem to loved it. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with this makeup tutorial. Okay, everything that I need to do this makeup tutorial is right here in this basket. So I've already prepped my skin, did my skincare routine. Now I'm going to start with primer. This is Colorbar primer and I like to use this for days when I don't want to do too much on my face but I still want a flawless base, you know. This smooths out that area. So I'm applying this under my eye, around my nose and around my mouth, and जो भी बच गया है primer all over my face. So my primer has been sitting on my face for 5 minutes now. It is very important that you let your primer sit on your skin if you want flawless base and you don't want your makeup to look cakey and you want the foundation to glide on your skin properly. So let your primer sink in with your skin, you know. Next step is orange corrector and then concealer. I'm not going to use any foundation today, and in that video itself कोई foundation मैंने use नहीं किया था. So for corrector I'm going to use LA Girl Pro corrector. Just squeeze it like that and then I'm going to apply this under my eye, around my lips. It's a great way to hide the pigmentation if you have any pigmentation, और ऐसे में ashy नहीं लगेगा आपका concealer. Now with the help of my fingers I'm going to blend everything. So I look like a monkey right now but सब ठीक हो जाएगा, don't worry, I'm sipping my coffee right now. For concealer I'm going to use my favorite concealer. This is Wet n Wild concealer. This is in the shade medium deep tan. It gives me full coverage. If I want to build the coverage I can also build the coverage, and the wand is so beautiful. I'm going to apply this concealer in a triangle shape and I'm going to take more than usual because I'm going to blend this concealer all over my face. You will see what I'm talking about. So yahan and around my mouth. Basically I'm using this concealer as a foundation today, you can say that. Concealer done. I'm going to wait for 15 seconds. I want this concealer to sit a little bit on my face. Also pro tip, make sure that you apply concealer on your forehead if you are skipping foundation. This is very important, otherwise it looks very ashy around that area, you know. Now I'm going to blend the concealer. For that I'm using Deluxe Angle Shaped Blush and Bronzer Brush by Sani. So I'm blending my concealer around my mouth and under my eye in a circular motion. Okay, blended the other side of my face. I need to hide this spot, so I'm going to dab the concealer here. I will look around. Do I need more concealer? Here a little bit and here. And I will try to blend it with my fingertip. So my base is done. I'm going to set my base using Faces Canada face powder. This is their mineral powder, I guess. Yes, mineral loose powder. And I'm going to use my foundation brush and pick up some powder. Dab up the excess. Dab this powder under my eye. Taking some more around my lips, this T-zone area, and all over my eyelids. And I forgot to tell you the shade name. This is in the shade Golden Beige 04. Next up, eyebrows. For that, I'm going to use Faces Canada Ultime Pro Brow Defining Pencil. This one has a spoolie and then there is this product side. So I'm going to comb through my eyebrows first. Now I'm going to use the pencil side to define my eyebrows. Going with small strokes, I'm going to fill my eyebrows. I feel like every time I use this eyebrow pencil, I never overdraw my eyebrows. So yes, I'm loving this eyebrow pencil. Finally combing them once again. So my eyebrows are done and I don't need to set this because this is a gel eyebrow pencil. So it is going to set my eyebrows also. Next up, eyes. I'm going to use Wet n Wild Color Icon palette in the shade Comfort Zone. I have already talked about and shown to you this palette in my recent haul video. I'm going to use this shade all over my eyelid just to set my eyelid. Okay, furthermore, even though मैंने powder use किया है, but I still want to set them And the brush which I'm using is Pro Arte PF08 to set my eyebrows. I really like this brush. I would highly recommend this brush to you if you want to use just one brush, and if you are a beginner who are starting with makeup. This brush is amazing. This is so soft. For my eyelid color, I'm going to use a lipstick. This is by Wet n Wild. This is their Catsuit metallic lipstick in the shade I Don't Desert You. So I'm going to take some all over my eyelid like that, and then blend the edges with the help of my fingers. And that's it. This was so easy, right? I'm going to blend the edges furthermore with the help of this transition color, which is a beautiful maroon undertone color. So I'm just going to blend the edges furthermore. And second eyelid is done. That was so quick and easy, right? That is why I love metallic lipstick like this. Not only you can wear them all over your lips, but also you can use them as an eyeshadow. They give that hint of sparkle, you know, hint of a metallic look all over your eyes, and that looks very beautiful, perfect for party wear and special occasion. Now I'm going to define my lower lash line. For that I'm going to use this transition color in that same brush. Yes, मैंने brush change नहीं किया था, and I really like this brush because this is slightly tapered and dome shape, so it's very easy to use this under eyes. You can see that. See, I've already told you in one of my videos that if you are not confident enough to apply eyeshadow under your eyes, you can just do that smolder look, you know, like that, and आप लगा सकते हो आराम से अपने under eyes पे. हो गया. Other eye is done. Finally, I'm making sure that I'm connecting the lower lash line to the upper lash line, and everything is all blended well. Moving on to contouring. For that, I'm using Wet n Wild MegaGlo contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm using a very random brush by Sani. Pick up some contouring powder, dab up the excess, and dab dab dab, and then do this. I'm also going to contour my jawline and also my forehead, but I'm not going to dab the product directly on my head. I'm just going to use the edge of this brush and contour my forehead and ever so slightly my jawline. But I forgot to bring a brush to contour my nose, so I'm going to use this brush only, this PF08 brush. I'm just removing all the excess eyeshadow from this. Take some powder, contouring powder, dab up the excess and contour my nose, and then using my finger I'm just going to blend the edges. Moving on to blush. For that I'm going to use this peach color from this Maybelline Master Blush palette. This is one of my favorite blush color from this palette, so I'm just taking some blush in that same contour brush, and I'm going to apply this blush all over my cheeks. You can always go overboard a little bit with this blush color because this is peachy color, so it won't look, you know, ashy or weird on your face, which I feel. But anyway, I always apply blush and later apply lipstick and see whether I need more blush or not. Smile and apply in a circular motion, applying the blush. I always make sure that I'm contouring the apples of my cheeks with this blush color, or any blush color actually. I feel that उससे वो बहुत natural लगते हैं. Okay, moving on to highlighter. For that I'm going to use Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. Using a very random brush to apply this highlighter. Applying this on the highest point of my face, also eyebrow arc area, a little bit on my cupid's bow, my chin, here, oh, ज़्यादा लग गया, and here, and my nose. Moving on to mascara, I'm not going to apply kajal or eyeliner, just mascara. I always make sure that I'm taking my own time to apply mascara because this is something which can make and break my makeup. Now, the very first thing that I do before applying mascara is curl my lashes. Can you see the difference eyelash color के बाद मेरे eyes में, मेरे eyelashes में? For mascara, I'm going to use Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. Guys, you will see how closely I'm going and applying this mascara. I'm taking my own time to apply this mascara, and I'm talking so slowly while applying this mascara. Okay, I should stop that. Now this is my mascara wala eye and this is my not mascara wala eye. देखा मैं इसलिए बोल रही थी, I take my own time to apply mascara. I'm going to apply this same mascara all over my lower lash line. Second last step, lipstick. For that I used this one, this beautiful everyday pink color. This is Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Berry Recognize. And last step, setting spray. This is Wet n Wild Photofocus setting spray. So with some distance, And that's it guys, that's how I created this look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this and found this informative and learned something from this video. I always try to put all the information that I know about makeup or the tricks that I like to do for makeup so that आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिले. I know this is very simple makeup, but I still hope you liked it. Now for more of such videos in future, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell icon so that you will never ever miss a video from my side. And also don't forget to like, comment, share this video, all those good stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye.